Okay, thank God we are back, and we already are being greeted by Buddha Bar. Oh, civilization again. And in the distance, this is our hotel. This is one of the dining alcoves here. And another one. And just in front is our infinity pool, which tonight looks really incredible with this mist. In the distance, the lights of the bar. Oh, the bar, a sanctuary. That's the dining room, window. Look at this, isn't that a cool shot?
Wow.
And yet another shot of another dining room. It's the same one. The kitchen. And the bar. You might have another nightcap, but we're gonna go get some movies now. We're gonna go up the stairs, and here's a quick shot of another pool. And a little doggy. Hey, little doggy, come here. Come here. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Hi. Where did you come from, huh? 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 Oh! Alright, stop biting. He's one of these little mastiffs, or, you know, close family of the freaking hey, stop. This is what's happening right now. This is what's happening. Alright, run along now. There he goes, there he runs. This is the eeriest thing that's happened to us tonight. You gotta go, Erie. Where are you going, Erie? Erie. I'm running behind you. I'm running behind you. Oh, I can't make it all the way up there. No. Oh, we have to sit here. I love this room. You gonna stay up there the whole night? Huh? Huh? Come down here. Come down here. Come. Oh, there he goes. There you go. Oh, okay, that's enough. Right. All right, enough is enough.